Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and uncovering the top 7 methods to generate income. Get ready to discover the AI cash machine that can boost your bank account. Let's jump right in. Method number 1, AI-powered chatbots. These intelligent virtual assistants have revolutionized customer service and engagement. By creating and selling AI chatbots, you can tap into a growing market and watch your profits soar. Method number 2, AI content generators. Imagine creating high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content with just a few clicks. By harnessing the power of AI content generation tools, you can save time and effort while making money. Method number 3, AI-driven investment tools. Let AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data and make accurate predictions for your investments. Get the edge you need in the financial world and watch your wealth grow. Method number 4, AI-powered personalization. Enhance user experiences on websites and apps by offering AI-powered personalization services. Increase customer satisfaction and boost your income at the same time. Method number 5, AI-infused virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences. Take your viewers on an immersive journey and monetize AI-powered VR/AR content, whether it's gaming, training simulations, or mind-blowing virtual tours. Method number 6, AI-powered cybersecurity solutions. Protect businesses and individuals from cyber threats by developing AI-based security systems. Be the guardian that keeps their information safe while filling your pockets. Last but not least, method number 7, AI-driven healthcare innovations. Join the revolution in patient care by developing AI-powered healthcare solutions. Save lives and earn profits while making a difference. And there you have it. The top 7 methods to generate income using the AI cash machine. Remember, the power of AI is at your fingertips. So seize the opportunity and watch your bank account grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which AI method caught your attention the most. Until next time, keep riding the wave of AI success.